Hello, friends. Today we're diving into the world of creative editing, where you'll learn to create effects that bring unique charm and depth to your videos. The glow effect will add a touch of magic and dynamism to your shots, helping you unlock new levels of visual artistry. So let's open CapCut and import our photo or video. Click here. This tool lets you add digital lighting to realistically illuminate objects. Here I'm choosing a neon color. We have artificial colored lighting on the right and left. These are light 1 and light 2. Now we can adjust the light color direction and settings as we like, since we'll be adding glowing elements around your portrait. I set the color to red and blue. Next, duplicate your clip by pressing and holding the Alt key on your keyboard and drag it to the top layer. Go to Background Removal and select Auto Remove to automatically create a selection on the portrait. Then, select the bottom layer and start adjusting. Lower the curve to darken the background. Find the vignette effect and set it to around 50 to bring more focus to the subject. Now it's time to add elements like jellyfish. Set the option to screen to remove the black background. Head over here to make adjustments. Increase the brightness to add clarity. I want this element behind her, so I place it between the first and second layers. Then repeat the same steps. On the right side, we want this element to have a reddish tone, similar to the color on her face on the right, so we'll lower the temperature to make it warmer. Continue with the curve. Add a touch of red to the highlights and lower the green and blue to give the shadows a warm, reddish tint. Now let's move to effects. Find the glow effect and apply it to all elements. I set the glow to around 70. Then find the blur effect and apply it to create a depth effect. I also apply it to background elements, setting the blur to about 25 to make them appear slightly farther from the camera. Adjust the lighting as needed. And that's it. Before viewing the final result, please give this video a thumbs up. It's quick for you and motivates me to keep creating.